Is your Google Chrome downloading at a snail's pace while your internet speed is actually fast? It is incredibly frustrating, but today we are fixing it for good. I'm going to show you the 3 hidden settings that will instant boost your download speed and make Chrome feels brand new. So let's jump into it. First, we have to open our Google Chrome here and click on this 3 dot and click on settings here. Select the privacy and security and click on security here. Now scroll down. You can see there are the option over the select DNS provider, and this is the default OS default selected. When we click it, you can see there are lots of DNS provider, OpenDNS, cleaning browser, family filter, Cloudflare, and Google. So we are gonna use the Cloudflare DNS. So just click on it. Now we have to do type Chrome : and just there needs to read flags. Hit enter. Now we have to unlock parallel downloading. So here you can see there are lots of options, but we need to find out the parallel. So let's find out by typing parallel. When you write this parallel, you can see this is the available and it's a default. We have to enable it and relaunch it. Parallel download is enable. This is the single biggest boost you can give your download speed. Next, we need to stop Google Chrome from eating your computer's resource in the background. Go back to the settings and click on system here, and you can see the continue running background apps when Google Chrome is closed. We have to disable it. This stops Chrome from hogging your RAM and bandwidth when you are This stops Chrome from hogging your RAM and bandwidth when you are even using it. Also make sure use hardware acceleration is toggled on to let your GPU help out with the heavy lifting. One last bonus tip is click those 3 dots, go to extensions. Manage extensions. Every single extension you have installed, even if you aren't using it, is slowing you down. If you don't recognize it or don't use it daily, remove it. A clean browser is a fast browser. So we are going to remove those things. And restart your Chrome. And watch those downloads browse or fly. If this helped you out, smash that like button and subscribe for more tech fixes that actually work. Drop a comment below and let me know how much faster your speed is now. I'll see you in the next one. Thank you so much.